some of the speakers, our speakers earlier. Actually, Charlie, kasi this is something that we would like to do to inspire you, to motivate you, so that you will participate and you will enjoy what Rotary is all about. Pero narinig natin yung mga messages ng mga past governors and our incoming governor. You know, and I hope that you learned from the messages that they provided earlier. Kaya ako, ang gusto ko lang sabihin, you know, you're about to join the world's oldest service organization, civic organization, Rotary International, of which the Rotary Club of Quezon City, Mediatek, is part of. So just like what Charter President Merrick mentioned, I had the honor and pleasure of trying to help them during the chartering of their club. And so I've been a witness since the start of this club. And I'm so proud and very happy to be a part of the chartering of this club. And now we are in the fourth year. Now, like I mentioned about Rotary International, we just celebrated our 121st anniversary yesterday, February 23. I'm not sure if anybody here was already alive during the time that Rotary was started. But anyway, you know what we'd like to sana kasi nakita natin yung development of Quezon City Mediatek as a Rotary Club through the years. Of course, it was not easy. There was a lot of challenges, a lot of lessons learned. But nakikita nyo naman, hindi sila tumigil based on what they wanted to do as a Rotary Club. And that is what Rotarians are supposed to be and what Rotarians are supposed to do. Ang gusto natin, so that you will appreciate more your role as a Rotarian, especially as a member of the Rotary Club of Quezon City Mediatek, is that you participate, you get engaged in the activities of your club and help. And whatever you can do to help, please do so. And it's not just, you know, Rotary is not it's not a one-time or short-term experience. Just like personally, I've been a Rotarian for the past 28 years. And never did I regret even one single day that I am a Rotarian. Why? Because there was a lot of opportunities, not just in service, but even opportunities for networking, opportunities to meet friends, and of course yung feeling na napakasarap ng pakiramdam when you're able to help other people. Because when you help others, it comes back to you in many ways. Makikita nyo yan when you get involved. So ang sinasabi ko, I don't want to extend my charting, you know, too long kasi marami na rin kayo nadinig na inspiring messages kanina, which I hope you're able to absorb and will also likewise inspire you as a Rotarian. So ang sinasabi ko lang, please be active, participate, get involved, and learn more about Rotary. Rotary is a continuing learning experience. Kahit ako matagal na ako sa Rotary, I still learn new things because Rotary is a developing organization. So, take advantage of that. And once you think you're satisfied with being a member or Rotarian, then share it with your friends. Baka naman you can also convince them to join Rotary and be part of the Rotary Club of Mediatek. So with that, again, please participate, get involved. Hindi lang sa club nyo ha, the district can offer a lot of opportunities for you to learn about Rotary and be part of Rotary. Sa district, napakaraming opportunities din. So it's not just your club, but also the district as well. So especially yung ating incoming overnight, balis na yata. So basically kasi malas patapos na tayo this Rotary year. So yung full Rotary renew will start July 1. But before that, you see the 4 months, try to be part of the preparation for next Rotary year. Para starting July 1, full blast na rin kayo as a member of the Rotary Club of Quezon City Mediatek. So with that, medyo na-convince na naman namin kayo that you really want to be part of this wonderful Rotary Club?
Yes.
About you? Are you sure?
Super.
Sino sponsor niyo?
Percent.
Merrick? Both of them?
Mark, nag-CR po, nag-CR.
Nagkapusan si CR din ako.
May hindi na mag-CR, pasensya na.
Anyway,
Nahihinapan po.
so, hindi naman kayo kinaka ko to, pinilit ng mga sponsor niyo. Pwede na ibulong sa akin.
Walang chance.
So talagang ito ha, talagang you're ready to be part of this wonderful Rotary Club. So with that, I'd like to thank you very much. And we will, I think we're ready to be inducted, right? So who's going to do the induction? City Mayor? Who's going So let's like to call on City Mayor to do the induction of the new member. Thank you very much.
Ang pangako natin, bibigyan. Ay talaga.
Thank you very much, PDS Jessica Chanco. And to observe the solemnity of this ceremony, may we invite everyone to please rise as we witness the induction of new members to be inducted by Phoebe Merrick now.
And thank you so much. Please raise your right hand.
Mike, sa likod ka.
Follow up for you. So I state your name,
I, Veronica Andrino,
having been admitted as member
having been
Admitted as member
of the Rotary Club of Quezon City Mediatek,
as
of
the Rotary Club of
Quezon City Mediatek,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I shall abide by,
that I shall abide by,
follow and uphold
follow
and
and
uphold
all the provisions
all the provisions
of the constitutions and the bylaws
and the constitutions and bylaws
of Rotary International
of Rotary International
and those of my club,
and those of my club,
that I shall faithfully perform
that I shall faithfully perform
my duties and responsibilities
my duties and responsibilities
as a Rotarian,
as a Rotarian,
that I shall endeavor
that I
that
shall
I shall
to know more and become knowledgeable of Rotary, that I shall actively promote
that I shall actively promote
the continued growth of my club,
the continued growth of my
that I shall strive
that I shall strive
to be the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
to lead the four-way test in my own life,
to
to be the four-way test in my own life,
and that I shall support
that I shall support
this year Rotary team,
this year's Rotary theme,
Unite for Good.
Unite for Good.
All this I pledge to do
All things that pledge to do
freely and voluntarily,
freely and voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation,
nor purpose of evasion.
purpose of it.
So help me God.
so help me God.
Palakpakan po natin sila. Welcome po sa ating Rotary Club of Quezon City.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. Thank you. Photo op with the certificate and citation together with our charging officer. Photo ops.
As we award the certificate of membership and we read the citation, this certificate is presented to the following newly inducted Rotarians, Veronica Agrino and Kevin J. Daya, has been duly inducted as an active member of the Rotary Club of Quezon City Mediatek, a club of Rotary International District 3780, and is entitled to all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities of membership. May this membership be a testament to your commitment to service of all self and your dedication to create lasting impact in our community and beyond. Presented today, 24th day of February, 2026 at Scout Wellness, Quezon City. Signed by no other than the club's charter president, Dr. Merrick Binana. Congratulations.
Photo ops with our charging officer and our charter president.
May we invite the staff of the charter president, past president Sylvia Binara.
Ayan, gusto na sa likod niya. Ayan, nag-CR ulit. Alright, let's give it up once again.